St. Martin's Island. A hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Bay of Bengal, this island is a true testament to nature's splendor. With its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant marine life, it offers an unparalleled escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, a jewel in the Bay of Bengal. The island's turquoise waters and white sand beaches create a picturesque landscape that seems almost too beautiful to be real. The gentle waves lapping against the shore provide a soothing soundtrack to this tropical paradise. This island is a rare coral island, the only one in Bangladesh. The coral reefs here are teeming with life, offering a vibrant underwater world for snorkelers and divers to explore. The reefs are home to a diverse array of marine species, each contributing to the rich tapestry of life beneath the waves. White sand beaches meet clear blue waters. The contrast between the soft powdery sand and the azure waters is striking, creating a visual feast for visitors. Whether you're lounging on the beach or taking a dip in the sea, the beauty of this place is undeniable. Coconut palms sway in the breeze. These iconic trees not only add to the island's tropical charm, but also provide much-needed shade for those looking to escape the sun. The gentle rustling of the palm fronds in the wind is a soothing sound that enhances the island's tranquil atmosphere. This is a place of incredible beauty. The sunrises and sunsets here are nothing short of spectacular, painting the sky in a myriad of colors. As the sun dips below the horizon, the island is bathed in a warm golden glow, creating a magical ambiance that is hard to find anywhere else. The island is known as Narikel Jinjira in Bengali. This means coconut island. It's a fitting name. Coconut trees are everywhere. These trees are not just a part of the landscape, they are an integral part of the island's culture and economy. They provide food, shade, and materials for building. The locals have a deep connection with these trees, using every part of the coconut palm in their daily lives. From the fruit to the leaves, nothing goes to waste. The island is a haven for wildlife. Birds, reptiles, and marine creatures all find sanctuary here. The island's diverse ecosystems support a wide range of species, making it a paradise for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Colorful fish dart among the coral reefs. The underwater world here is a kaleidoscope of colors, with fish of all shapes and sizes weaving through the coral formations. Snorkeling or diving in these waters is like entering a different world, one filled with wonder and beauty. Sea turtles nest on the beaches. These gentle creatures return to the island year after year to lay their eggs, continuing a cycle of life that has been going on for centuries. Watching a sea turtle make its way to the shore is a humbling and awe-inspiring experience. St. Martin's Island is a place of peace and tranquility. The serene environment, coupled with the natural beauty, makes it an ideal destination for those looking to unwind and reconnect with nature. The absence of modern distractions allows visitors to fully immerse themselves in the island's calming ambiance. Life moves at a slower pace here. The island's residents have a laid-back lifestyle, taking the time to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Whether it's a leisurely stroll on the beach or a quiet moment of reflection, the island encourages a slower, more mindful way of living. But the island is also full of life. The local markets are bustling with activity, offering a glimpse into the vibrant culture of the island. Children play on the beach, their laughter echoing through the air, adding to the island's lively atmosphere. The people are warm and welcoming. The island's residents are known for their hospitality, always ready to greet visitors with a smile. Their warmth and friendliness make visitors feel at home, creating a sense of community that is both comforting and inviting. They are proud of their island home. The sense of pride the locals have for their island is palpable. They take great care in preserving its natural beauty and cultural heritage, ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy this paradise. This is a place where you can truly escape from the world. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, St. Martin's Island offers something for everyone. It's a place where you can leave your worries behind and immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility of nature. The people of St. Martin's Island are intrinsically linked to the sea. Their lives revolve around the ebb and flow of the tides, and the ocean is both a provider and a challenge. From a young age, islanders learn to respect and understand the sea, knowing that it holds the key to their survival and prosperity. Fishing is a way of life. It is not just an occupation but a tradition passed down through generations. The tools and techniques used by the fishermen have been honed over centuries, each piece of equipment telling a story of innovation and adaptation. Every morning, fishermen set out in their small boats. As the first light of dawn breaks over the horizon, they row out to the deeper waters, guided by the knowledge and instincts inherited from their ancestors. The early hours are filled with a sense of purpose and hope. They brave the waves to provide for their families. The sea can be unforgiving, with sudden storms and rough waters testing their skills and resilience. Yet they push forward, driven by the need to bring back a bountiful catch. The boats are brightly painted. Each boat is a work of art, adorned with vibrant colors and intricate designs that reflect the island's rich cultural heritage. These boats are not just tools, they are a source of pride and identity for the fishermen. They bob on the water like colorful toys. From a distance, the sight of these boats on the open sea is almost whimsical, a stark contrast to the serious work being done on board. The ocean's vastness is dotted with these small, colorful vessels, each one a beacon of hope. But these boats are more than just vessels. They are lifelines, connecting the islanders to the ocean and to each other. The craftsmanship involved in building and maintaining these boats is a testament to the community's ingenuity and perseverance. They are symbols of resilience. Each scratch and dent on the boat's surface tells a story of battles fought and won against the elements. The fishermen take great care in repairing and maintaining their boats, knowing that their lives depend on these sturdy vessels. They represent the islanders' deep connection to the ocean. The act of casting nets and hauling in the catch is a ritual that binds the community together. It is a dance of survival, performed with skill and reverence for the sea. Life on the island is not always easy. The challenges are many, from unpredictable weather to the constant need to secure enough food and resources. Yet the islanders face these challenges with a spirit of cooperation and mutual support. The sea can be unpredictable. One moment it is calm and serene, the next it is a raging force of nature. The islanders have learned to read the signs and adapt to the ever-changing moods of the ocean. But the islanders are strong. Their strength comes not just from physical endurance but from a deep sense of community and shared purpose. They work together, support each other, and face each new day with unwavering determination. They face each day with courage and determination. The ocean provides, it sustains them. The joy of a successful catch is shared by all, a reminder of the bounty that the sea can offer to those who respect and understand it. It is in their blood. The connection to the sea is a fundamental part of their identity, passed down through generations. The islanders of St. Martin's Island live in harmony with the ocean, drawing strength and sustenance from its depths, and in return they honor and protect it. St. Martin's Island is blessed with an abundance of natural resources. The coral reefs are teeming with life. They are home to a kaleidoscope of fish, crustaceans, and other marine creatures. The island is a vital nesting ground for sea turtles. These ancient creatures return to these shores year after year. They lay their eggs in the soft sand. Coconut palms dominate the landscape. Their fruit provides both food and drink. The fibrous husks are used to make rope and mats. The island's natural resources are precious. They are essential for the livelihoods of the islanders. It's crucial to protect these resources for generations to come. The cuisine of St. Martin's Island is a celebration of the sea. Fresh seafood is the star of the show. The catch of the day might include red snapper, grouper, or kingfish. One of the most popular dishes is chingri borda. This is a flavorful mash made with shrimp, chilies, and spices. It's often served with steamed rice. No meal is complete without a taste of coconut. Coconut milk adds richness to curries and sauces. Fresh coconut water is a refreshing drink on a hot day. The food on St. Martin's Island is simple yet delicious. It reflects the island's connection to the sea and its bounty. Section 5. Celebrating heritage. The people of St. Martin's Island have a rich cultural heritage that has been passed down through generations. This heritage is a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of history, tradition, and community spirit. They are predominantly Muslim, and they celebrate Islamic holidays with fervor and devotion. These celebrations are not just religious observances, but also a time for families and communities to come together, reinforcing their bonds and shared values. One of the most important festivals is Eid al-Fitr, which is eagerly anticipated by everyone on the island. This festival is marked by joyous gatherings, communal prayers, and the sharing of delicious food. Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. During Ramadan, the islanders fast from dawn to dusk, engaging in self-reflection and spiritual growth. The breaking of the fast at sunset is a moment of communal joy and gratitude. Families gather together to feast and celebrate, sharing traditional dishes that have been prepared with love and care. These meals are a testament to the island's culinary heritage, featuring flavors and recipes that have been handed down through the ages. The islanders also celebrate Bengali traditions with equal enthusiasm. These traditions are an integral part of their cultural identity, reflecting the rich history and diverse influences that have shaped the island over the centuries. Pohela Boishakh, the Bengali New Year, is one such celebration. It is a time for new beginnings, marked by vibrant festivities, traditional music, and dance. The islanders dress in colorful attire and participate in various cultural activities, welcoming the new year with hope and joy. The celebration of Pohela Boishakh is a reflection of the islanders' resilience and optimism. It is a time to leave behind the past year's challenges and look forward to new opportunities and growth. People dress in colorful clothes and take part in festivities that include traditional games, music, and dance. These activities are not just for entertainment, but also serve to strengthen community ties and preserve cultural heritage. Music and dance are an integral part of the island's culture. Traditional songs and dances are performed during festivals and special occasions, each telling a story of the island's history, its people, and their way of life. Traditional songs tell stories of the sea, love, and life on the island. These songs are a way for the islanders to connect with their past, celebrate their present, and inspire future generations. The people of St. Martin's Island are proud of their heritage. They showcase their traditional crafts, such as weaving and pottery, which are not only beautiful but also functional, reflecting the island's resourcefulness and creativity. They keep their traditions alive through music, dance, and storytelling. These cultural expressions are a vital part of the island's identity, ensuring that their rich heritage is preserved and celebrated for generations to come. As we explore the beauty of St. Martin's Island, it's important to remember our role in preserving this paradise. Responsible tourism means respecting the local environment and culture, so let's tread lightly and honor the natural splendor that makes this place so special. Protecting St. Martin's Island is a collective effort. From local conservation initiatives to sustainable practices, every action counts. By supporting eco-friendly businesses and participating in conservation programs, we can help safeguard this island for future generations. Looking ahead, sustainability is key to the island's future. Embracing renewable energy sources, reducing waste, and promoting ecotourism are steps that can lead to a more sustainable and resilient St. Martin. Together, we can build a future where nature and community thrive in harmony. The magic of St. Martin's Island lies in its unique blend of natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality. Whether you're exploring its pristine beaches, engaging with local traditions, or simply soaking in the serene atmosphere, this island offers an experience like no other. Let's cherish and protect this enchanting paradise.